Welcome SECAN members. This is Jason Farrell with Farrell Agencies, and I'm going to take you through the Seed Industry Plus insurance policy offered by Farrell Agencies, exclusively through Farrell Agencies. Seed Industry Plus is a registered trademark of Farrell Agencies in 1986. We were the first to market for the development of a seed E&O program. In 1994, we further developed it with the assistance of the Saskatchewan Seed Growers Association. And to date, we are offering the Seed Industry Plus program across all areas of Canada. And it is most recently reached the endorsement status of SECAN. Putting this presentation together, you can see that we got a very clear understanding of the seed business, the process that a seed goes through from the breeder stage right up to the commercial production stage. And again, it is the reason that we show this. You better make sure that your broker and your company are crystal clear on the coverage that they're offering you, because this is what's going to respond to cover you in the event of a loss. Some things you're going to want to check your policy to clarify what in fact you do have. Words like claims made, or is your policy in occurrence form? Is there a retroactive date? And if so, what is that retroactive date? The legal expenses that inevitably will be incurred in the event of a loss, are those in addition to the limit that you have purchased, or do they lessen the limit that you've purchased? Again, these are really important things to understand on your policy. The example that we lay out is got coverage of, say, $250,000 per claim, an aggregate limit, which is the sum total limit available to you during any one policy term of $500,000. You have a seed lot that goes out to 6 different customers. The settlement after a investigation is determined to be $100,000 damages to each of the claimants out of that same seed lot, which, as you can appreciate, 6 customers isn't a lot to come out of a seed lot. That limit of $500,000, that aggregate limit of $500,000 seems like a lot, but as you can see, 6 claimants, $100,000 each, you can see that that gets eaten up real quick. So again, things that you want to be cognizant of on your policy, the per claim limit and the aggregate limit. And do you have a deductible that applies separately to each and every one of those claims? Seed Industry Plus product has no deductible that applies to any of the claim situations. So that's kind of an overview of what a claim would look like. Now we're going to take you through a specific claim that happened in real life to one of our customers. The foundation seed was planted in the year 2010, registered status and harvested after inspection in the fall of 2010, met the standards for sale in 2011, processed and tagged in 2011. Now it's going out to the end user, that being that individual's customer, in the spring of 2011. That same seed was planted in the spring of 2011. A problem was discovered by the customer, so notified the grower in July of 2011. Immediately we were contacted by our client, and the claim file was open and an adjuster assigned. Statements obtained, agrologist hired, lab test done. After that investigation, it was found that our seed grower was not negligent. Denial letters were sent out in April of 2012. Now, a statement of claim received again in November, the same claim, November 2012. Denial letters were rejected by the customer. The claims reopened. Insurers hired legal counsel in November of 2012. And after further investigation, it was decided that the best way out of this was to offer a negotiated settlement, which was reached and paid by insurers in the summer of 2016. So you can see the timeline between hired legal counsel in November of 2012 and negotiated settlement arrived at in the summer of 2016. This is never an easy process. So here's the summation of the claim. Claim settlement, $402,352.94. Expense payments, that would be the legal expense, $87,490.76. What did our customer pay? $2,500. That was during a time when the Seed Industry Plus product did have a deductible. Today it has 0 deductible. So there's a real life example, some additional benefits that our program offers. Time savings. Our clients are responsible for providing documentation, and the investigators, adjusters, and legal counsel take care of the rest. No out-of-pocket expenses for you. value in experienced investigation and legal defense. The people that we have engaged to defend you in the event of a claim are experienced, they know what they're doing, and they are very good at what they do. Finally, reputation. You talk about an additional benefit. If you've got an insurance policy and the expertise behind it that's going to respond in the event of a claim, your reputation will be intact, as it was in this case, because the negotiated settlement was to the satisfaction of all parties. Factors to consider. I've kind of touched on a couple of these earlier, but choose a policy limit reflective of your risk. So as you can see here in this example, the claim settlement of $402,352.94, that was the result of a negotiated settlement with 3 claimants. So the average per claimant out of that seed lot, $134,117.65. That same seed lot was sold to 18 individuals. The other 15 individuals either didn't experience the same problem or didn't come forward. However, the reality is, had all 18 potential claimants come forward, that would have been a claim for $2,414,117.63. Policy limit, as you see, was $500,000. Would have left a shortfall of $1,914,117.64. Not many operations can withstand out-of-pocket expense like that. Fortunately, Seed Industry Plus, you can purchase limits up to $2 million. Number 2 point, purchase an insurance product designed to protect your business. Number 3, choose a broker who understands your business. I've touched on those things. In the event of a claim, these are the people that are going to be defending you. So you better be comfortable with what you've got and who you're dealing with. Last screen here, Farrell Agencies team. These are the people on the front line to explain our product, to sell you our product, and answer any questions you may have. How do you get a quote on Seed Industry Plus? Real simple. Call our 1-800 number, 1-800-268-3675, or visit our website, farrellagencies.com. You'll see a tab there for Seed E&O. You can either fill out that form online and submit it, or print it out, fill it out, scan it, and fax it in. Real simple. You'll see at the bottom there the participating companies on our product, all Canadian companies. That's worth noting. Northbridge Insurance, Windward Insurance, and Aviva Canada. Thanks for listening to our presentation on Seed Industry Plus by Farrell Agencies.